What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Friday. Love me Fridays. Love me Fridays. Oh, love me Fridays. 6:10 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. We successfully banged out that US Boiler SteamMax 125 yesterday, the knockdown. Thank God it came as a knockdown because it would have been fucking tight. It would have been tight. Really fucking tight. Tighter than a virgin's pussy, I swear. But Derek, Daniel, and I, mostly Daniel and I, just keeping it real. But Derek participated. He's definitely participated. We needed all hands on deck. Ladies and gentlemen, the poster number 80 of 150 of the 2025 version 2.0 poster is going out. I got an email yesterday at 12 o'clock. Hey, Mike. Good afternoon. I just sent you a Cash App for one of your poster. Please, when you make your shout out, please say Joe L. I hate it when my name is pronounced as Joel, LOL. Love your videos. Have a great day. So, Joe L. Morales. Oh, fuck. He lives in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. No shit. Fucking tits. We just installed a boiler manufactured by the American company, US Boiler Company, located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And just like that Burnham, right? The X2. And that Burnham Alpine. And that Burnham Alta. Not that one. Not that one. Definitely not that one. Not that one. Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I would really love to be a guest of US Boiler Burnham and visit Amish country, because I bet you those motherfuckers, those Amish, are in that plant pushing these boilers together. I'll bet you anything. Bet you bottom dollar. It would be fun. I've never been to Burnham. I would love to be there. But for some reason, I don't think they like me. I'm joking. What's there not to like? So, Mr. Joe L. Morales of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, you are getting poster number 80. Make sure that I labeled the number one. Yeah, that's 81. Okay. And on top of the poster and the Superman Mikey Pipes, we have a few left. You're getting the Brolic Mikey Pipes. You're getting St. Mike. Happy holidays. You're getting, there's only a couple left as well, the Bosch. And never forget, folks, never forget, the hacks bring me fucking stacks, bitch. Love me Fridays. Love me Fridays. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna put a magnet in there. I think a magnet. All right, a magnet. Hold on. 1 second, folks. I'm gonna give you. There aren't any more Pipe Doctor pens, Mikey Pipes pens. So I'm gonna give you an ACIQ pen. Put that in there as well. What else can I put in there? No, that's it. Let's put the top on. Okay. And to prevent any kind of damage during shipping, the piece coming out, put a little tape in there. Taped with love. Taped with love. So now, Joel, come on, man. Your name is Joel, bitch. Come on. Your name is Joel. So, Mr. Morales, there you go. It's going out today. Janine, my office manager, will bring that to the post office. And don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, that if you want a free poster, we have a benefactor to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization that donates money every Thursday so I can send out a free poster to someone. And he committed, we're in week number 7 with this gentleman. He committed to sending, I think he sends $54 a week. He's a really nice guy. Every Thursday, I get a PayPal, and we're making a difference together, folks. We really are. I got an email yesterday. I got 2 emails yesterday. A single mom with a problem with a switch, and I'm like, where do you live? I'm still waiting to hear back from her. And then a gentleman with a toilet, a bidet seat, but I hear he's a fat fuck. He's like 500 pounds, and he keeps breaking the toilet seats. So I was like, well, I don't know why. What do you want me to give you, like a magic wand to plug into the thing? Like, oh shit, yeah. You can sit in the toilet, right, and take the wand and use it like a bidet wand, like they have in like Europe, you know, like that. You know what I'm talking about, and wash your sphincter with the, you know. By the way, your husband is cold. I don't think I'm gonna do Free Friday today. I may. Maybe we should do cotton candy. Maybe some popcorn. Cotton candy and popcorn sounds good. I got on that side of the building and that side of the building. So don't forget, ladies, your husband is cold. Get the furnace fixed. So it's Friday here. Service calls have drastically reduced in the over the last month, but we typically see that in the end of August and September. September is usually a very quiet month, but thank God, you know, I say it once, I'll say it again, I'll continue to say it. Thank God for installation. We had 4 pending yesterday morning, now we have 3. 1 was completed yesterday. We're doing this, Mikey Pipes by ACIQ 4-ton. We're doing that on Monday. The other day, Daniel, Derek, and I, we mounted about 4.5 feet off the ground. We mounted the outdoor 4-ton condenser to the side of the guy's home. We're gonna do this on Monday. We have to do a little bit of ductwork because there's a 16-inch flex there. We need an 18-inch. You know, it's always airflow, ABC, airflow before charge when you're dealing with a refrigeration cycle. So central air conditioning, you know, you have lack of airflow, you're gonna have problems, you know. But what's great about the Mikey Pipes by ACIQ system, it's got really, really cool features, which I don't think I've mentioned to you before. Which one is it? This, I believe. What is this? This looks like a Bosch. This is a Bosch blower assembly. Here we go. So this is an ACIQ. Let me put this on the table. Here is the little DC motor. Look at that, little baby motor. See that? Tiny little bad boy. But I want you to take a close look at the blower wheel itself. You see how those little spikes on there? Well, that's to help improve airflow and reduce that turbulence, you know, hitting the coil. It's really, really nice. Or hitting, you know, turbulence in the system, but it's really, really nice. And whisper quiet operation. You know, it's really, 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 really nice. Stop moving around. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not to mention that how sleek the units look. You really can't tell here, but you know, they're rounded edges here. It's a nice, modern-looking system. And the underlying manufacturer is Medea, right? So it's one of the largest, it's manufactured by one of the largest HVAC manufacturers in the world, globally. Their plant in China, I hear, is the size of like Long Island. It's huge, right? Really, really good stuff. But if you're an HVAC contractor or dealer, or even a tech, you want to offer your clients a really, truly phenomenal machine, communicating, DC-driven, inverter. You want to grow your business as a private label? Check out ACIQ. Go to ACIQ.com/Mikey Pipes. They'll give me an attaboy, and they will hook you up. I kid you not. They will hook you up, and you will love their products. You really will. And a lot of people go, Mikey Pipes, well, what about support? You know what? It's not like calling Carrier, and they'll call you back in 72 hours, or next week, or the following season, right? You need support. Listen, you're not going to be able to pick up the phone and get someone on the phone in seconds, okay? Not even I get that privilege or luxury, right? But when you call them, minimal wait time, I'm just keeping it real. You'll get someone on the phone who can help you, and if you need a part, they'll send it out right away. It's perfect, right? It really is. About 2 months ago, we did a double 3-ton install on a home. And in the startup and commissioning of one of the systems, one system was failing a pressure test. And we found the leak in the evaporator coil, right? And they didn't have an evaporator coil. So you know what they did? They sent me a brand new unit, a brand new air handler. Now, granted, that would suck if I didn't have another 3-ton in stock. See, 3 tons, my most common size. I got a 3-ton air handler, 3-ton condenser. It's ready to go. And it's really inexpensive, folks. Like, I can't even tell you. You need to find that for yourself. I can't even tell you how inexpensive the system is. I can't. I really, I would love to, but I can't. But if you're an HVAC contractor and you want to build your business with a solid foundation, and offer an amazing product, you know, good, better, best, right? Good. You could put in the garbage Amana, Goodman, whatever that crap is, right? You want to put in, better, put in a Lennox, even though L stands for leaking in Lennox. Best used to be, my Carrier Infinity communicating system, and the only thing Carrier's known for is ripping you off with their astronomical prices of equipment. Folks, just keeping it real. Just keeping it real. Check it out. ACIQ.com/Mikey Pipes. All right, folks. Time to do a little praying.